Good morning viewers, the news bar is back to accompany you with the most up-to-date and reliable news with me, Sarah Aulia. The government once again allowed the opening of cinemas in this transitional PSBB period. The number of viewers is limited to only 50%. Then, how is the application of health protocol in the theater? The following is a report from Ainandita Riwi Papusa, Bar News reporter.
Thank you, Sarah, with Ainandita here. Now I am at the cinema which is located in East Jakarta. As we can see, there is one of the health protocols before entering the cinema area. Previously, I had scanned my personal data and also used a hand sanitizer. There are also signs to keep a minimum distance of 1 meters, so that it is ensured that there are no crowds when queuing to buy tickets at the counter. There is also a barrier between officers and visitors. Then there is also a machine for buying tickets, so you don't have direct contact with the officers and you can also pay using the cashless payment method. So it's definitely safe, and the good news is that 50% of the maximum capacity has been permitted by the Jakarta provincial government. So we want to know, is it safe to watch the movie in cinema again? We will ask Miss Naila. She is a brand marketing manager in the cinema. Hello Miss Naila, how are you?
Hello, I'm fine.
I represent the netizen because they really want to watch movies in cinema. Please can you tell us, this is safe or not?
Inshallah, it will remain safe as long as it adheres to existing protocols.
After the health protocol, then what else? At the cinema, what is the protocol like when before entering the cinema?
Okay, there are 71 protocols that we run here, starting with screening all the Cinepolis staff to make sure that they are in good health before they start working. Then, in front of the Cinepolis area, we also screen all guests by checking their body temperature after their scanning QR and filling in personal data. In addition, we educate all of our guests to buy online tickets or track our counter machine where payment can be made by debit, credit, or e-wallet at the cashier. Well, in the studio, we also carry out several protocols, one of which is we disinfect all areas of the studio before and after the show. The time like that we provide between one show and another is long enough to ensure that the studio areas are sterile and clean.
Then, how is the seat distance for 50% capacity?
With a capacity of 50%, there is one seat that is vacated, but the placement of the empty and filled seats will be done alternately, so there is a distance of about 1 meter between the guests.
Then, for air circulation, there are certainly many who are worried. Is the air in the studio good?
So, there is a lot of information that the public may still not know. If in fact, all cinema studios must have air circulation. Likewise, in our studio, there is large enough air circulation and has become a standard in all cinema studios. This air circulation serves to exchange air with fresh air from outside of the studio.
Okay, thanks for the time and opportunity. I hope you're always healthy. See you next time.
You're welcome.
Well guys, this is good news for you. As we can see, there is also one way for visitors to do activities here. So it's a thing that the cinema area, both studio and waiting area, can be a safe and comfortable place for those of you to seek entertainment. From Jakarta, Ainandita Riwi Papusa, back to the studio.
Thank you Ainandita for the information. Viewers do not need to worry because in the cinema health protocol have been implemented according to existing procedure. One of them is checking body temperature before entering the cinema. Dear viewers, we will return to accompany you with the latest news after the following break.